The services of a mobile locksmith in the Marietta, Georgia area can offer advantages to commercial, automotive, and residential customers. What does Marietta Top Locksmith Pros do? We offer security cameras, intercom systems, master keys, key programming, access control, deadbolt changes, and more. We are available 24 hours a day to help out with emergency locksmith dilemmas since they can occur anytime. Call 678-819-2199 for an appointment. Remember, our services are available to those in the Marietta, Georgia area. Marietta Top Locksmith Pros hopes you call. We're a mobile team that cares about security and customers. Call 678-819-2199.